Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the honor and pleasure to be here today. My name is Argyris Patousias. I am the Information Technology Manager for Hellas Gold. And I'm really excited to have the opportunity to speak about the critical role of technology, especially in the advancements of the mining operation in the Hellas Gold, with the main focus in the LTE private campus networks. This slide provides an overview of Eldorado Gold's global operations and growth strategy. Holding a diversified asset portfolio across 3 countries, Greece, Turkey, and Canada, we support our long-term production goals and growth. As part of our strategy, our key focus is on increasing production in the coming years and scale operations while maintaining cost efficiency. Skouries. The Skouries project is a copper-gold deposit. It will be mined using a combination of technologies of surface and underground mining technologies, alongside the best-in-class sustainable practices. The initial life of the mine is approximately 20 years and is expected to produce, on average, 150,000 ounces of gold and 67 million pounds of copper per year. First production of copper-gold concentrate is expected in the end of the second semester of 2026, and commercial production expected in the mid of 2026. Once operational, the mine will place Greece among the top gold-producing countries in Europe. Greece will also become a significant producer of copper, contributing to the transition of the EU to a circular economy. Jumping to the overview of the Olympias mine as one of our key assets in the Chalkidiki Peninsula in Greece, which began its commercial production back in 2017, Olympias mine has become, in a relative short period of time, a significant contributor to our overall production mix. Let me stress out some more details. Olympia is an underground mine which allows to efficiently extract a mix of valuable metals, gold, silver, lead, and zinc, estimated in an annual production of 1 million tons that helps mitigate risks tied to fluctuations in individual commodity prices. Olympias has a remaining of 50 years of operation based on the reserves, with a potential for another 2 extra years as long as the existing resources are upgraded to reserves. For the mining industry, operation means extraction. When the actual mine of minerals takes place, it involves removing valuable ore or minerals from the earth, processing them, and managing daily mine activities. Extraction stage involves extracted metals from ores found in the earth's crust. Extraction is practiced by drilling, controlled blasting, ventilation, or transportation, and finally support. Speaking of our recent achievements, I would like to highlight the importance of embracing technological advantages across our operation as they continue to drive improvements in every area of our mines. Please allow me to share a short video showcasing the infrastructure that has enabled us to unlock the world of mining for. We have implemented LTE campus network at Olympias, the first LTE private campus for Greece, which is a complex and unique project for the first time in Greece, as I told you. The network infrastructure has been designed and installed in the underground mining areas of Olympias with the collaboration of our telecommunication company, Cosmote, at a depth of 400 meters today, and covers an underground area of approximately 20 kilometers. It's a high-tech campus that offers great safety for our workforce, but also increased productivity, improving communications, and fast transmission of crucial data. In fact, LTE campus network sets the ground for the entire digitalization of the mine. Let me explain you a few, allow me to tell you a few more things about the technology we are using today in Olympias with LTE private campus. Blasting operations to be conducted from the distance. Removal of MAC without being physically present in hazards area. Real-time monitoring of our mining vehicles and supply of the required amount of clean air only to active work fronts. This is the ventilation demand phase 1 for us. Additionally, our control room at the surface enables non-stop oversight of the entire network and its operational cycle in real time, which finally allows our team to make informed decisions that optimize mining processes. Apart from the campus network, additional innovative techniques are being deployed in terms of underground safety monitoring, experimental learning, advanced training systems like the FLAM trainer, which reflects our commitment to enhance safety and preparedness in the mining operations. In this video, you are going to see an operator who is driving a heavy loader from the surface. As you can understand, this application and automation requires a high quality in terms of latency. He's sitting outside of the mine and he's driving the loader doing the macking. In Greek, macking means xebazoma. So you can understand how important for us is this automation, because he can do exactly the same job he's doing when he's inside the loader. Let me highlight some of our future plans. For example, ventilation demands. Phase 2, this system will be aligned with real-time tracking of equipment and personnel that improves ventilation efficiency by adjusting air supply based on actual needs. We also plan to deploy collision avoidance on mobile equipment, telemetry also on mobile equipment as an additional target for improved data collection. Load scan will improve payload accuracy, increase productivity, avoid carrybags, prevent off-center loading, and reduce fuel. Remote marking extension is also among of our plans in order to enable faster marking operations. Also, BEV, battery electrical vehicles, remote drilling, remote control operation to operate drilling equipment remotely, photocell technology, LED lighting, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, solar panels installation to promote energy efficiency amongst one of our targets for last goal. Last but not least, our focus is on improving filter press systems as a key driver for enhanced automation, efficiency, and safety. Thank you.
Is there any question from the audience? Yes, please. It is working? Yes, now it's working. So thank you for your presentation. I was wondering, when in my country something similar happens, you have a lot of local communities that start raising signs with "not in my backyard." Did something similar happen here, and how did you demonstrate the sustainability of the project? Yes, sure. When something similar happens in any country, there are a lot of local communities that will gather around the project, raising signs saying "not in my backyard." And how did you manage? Did this happen to you as well? And how did you demonstrate the sustainability of the project?
Good question, but it will take more time to explain to you.
Okay.
But we have a specific department, they will know CSR, Social Responsibility Department. They are responsible for the local communities. This is one of our part of our daily operation, because it's not only mining to do the extraction of the mine. You have to be safe. You have to help the local communities. So it's one of our major part to work also and support and, of course, explain to the local communities what we are doing, how we are doing these kind of things, what protections we are making for the environment, what kind of measures we are taking care in order to protect the entire villages around the mines, things like that.
Thank you for the presentation. Can we have the clicker?
Yes.